I was there. I was sitting there. I was standing there at figure drawing class, getting fed up, getting restless. I was trying to honestly and earnestly draw the human form onto the huge pad of newsprint I had on the easel in front of me, and I was having a hard time doing it. And so, of course, like I usually do at those figure drawing classes, I gave up about halfway through, and I got up and left about before everyone else. I went home, kind of in a bit of a huff, but I encouraged myself, and I excuse myself by telling myself that it's a inspirational huff. That with this little bit of frustration, I am gonna go and make other things. Like why I asked myself why am I drawing this? Like I don't want to be drawing this. All these people look the same that I'm drawing. That like I do need to learn it though, because I want to learn to draw these people to incorporate them back into my style. But then why am I drawing these other things, my other style? Like I know I like drawing, but is that a good enough reason to draw? I think it's a good enough reason to draw, but I'd like to continue, like maybe one time eventually. Like a lot of people seem to like art because it means something and maybe it communicates something to them, but I don't really intentionally put anything into my art that really means anything. I just like drawing, so I do it. I like putting the little lines next to each other in ways that are interesting to look at. But maybe should I try to make my art mean something? Do you think there'll be, I'm asking myself this, do you think there will be some second overture in my life, in my artistic journey, where I will not just make weird, meaningless, super detailed doodles or whatever I'm doing right now? Do you think, or is this good enough? You know, if I'm happy drawing like this, should I just continue drawing like this? I mean, I will. Let me tell you, I will continue drawing like this. But I'm asking myself once again, do you think it will ever change? Do you think I'll get some ideas to start maybe communicating some slightly more concrete ideas? Or are these weird ephemeral feelings that come with looking at shapeless collections of lines enough? There are a lot of other people out there trying to communicate more on the nose things, and that's good. It's maybe the variety of, but sometimes I just don't really know. The best thing about my art and what I enjoy about it is that I really like doing it. Just the physical action of doing it, what it feels like to complete a piece. But I don't know if it could be more, if it should be more. That's what I'm struggling with. But the only way I know to keep moving forward is to keep making it, and maybe in the process of making art, I'll have some sort of revelations. Well, there's some half-formed thoughts for you about why I'm drawing. I'll tell you, I am drawing because I like to draw, and I like looking at my completed drawings, even though they're not always exactly what I wanted them to be or envisioned them being. I still enjoy looking at some of them, right? And I also enjoy and am encouraged by the fact that other people seem to like looking at them. So that's also encouraging. There's some sort of escape I get while I'm drawing. It is some sort of weird therapy or meditation when I'm frustrated or angry with whatever it could be in life, almost anything really. I just sit down, I draw, and I think all of my other shortcomings. I've said this before. I'll say it again. I think all of my other shortcomings, all the other frustrations in life, all the other things I'm not in control of, I'm going to try to make up for it just by drawing. And I don't know if that's a healthy reason to draw, but I think it's a good reason. It's a lot better than a lot of other things that you could be doing. I think it's I don't know if it's the perfect reason to draw. Maybe I should be drawing for the love of art or something. I don't really like the word art anyways, but I know I like drawing and it feels good. and I'll keep doing it. All right, thanks. I feel like I just got interviewed by myself or something. All right. All right, goodbye.